Right, welcome back to the channel. New chapter on this one now. As you know, in my last video, which was just before Christmas I think it was, I saw my VW van, and part of that was because that clean air charge was kicking in around Great Manchester. I'll not go into that because you can read it online, but it's an absolute farce anyway. So what I've done is, I thought I'll save the money, get into the new year, get January and that out of the way, see how it goes, and then pick a new van up. Lasted 3 days without a van. Just couldn't, just buckled in her. So I went on the usual Auto Traders, eBays and all that crap, and then I found one. I thought, I'm in North End of Scotland. What a trek that was. But finally picked it up. Absolutely chuffed to bits with it. It's not a VW, which quite a few of my subscribers will probably think, I'm not watching that crap now, but end of the day, have a look at the video, see the cinematic mode, see if you think it's any good. I'm not very good at doing videos like that, and let me know what you think. So first off, that steering wheel is absolutely gorgeous, and I can't believe the mod cons you get in these vans. I won't say it's pretty much standard like, but it's usual stuff: lecky windows, folding mirrors, heated seats, look at that, heated front window screen, sat nav, CarPlay and all that stuff, full auto on as well. Thought I'd do something different and go for a full auto. Cup holders everywhere. As you know, in a VW you don't get many bloody cup holders. These things are all over the place. Doors, the lot. 2 captain's chairs. These are stunning, these chairs, love them. Upholstered, Alcantara middle, and then leather. And then you can see there the MSRT badging, all the standards. As you've noticed, this one's a limited edition. It's an MSRT one, and it's one of Ford's to come out to a factory like this. Well, they go straight from Ford and then to MSRT factory, and then they do all the mods on them and that. I just fancy something different. This is a crew cab version, this one, so you can see back seats. Let me get out there, not me bring over. All back seats, a 3-seater one, cab version, all top's done with a bulkhead. Right, now, so my plan on this is basically to convert it into like a day van. Now, I don't want to keep the front seats like that, although they're ideal because when my daughter and the kids are in the back, like, you sit quite close, and in the VW they were far back. So I'm looking at a sliding rail system. Holy shit, they cost an absolute fortune. Now I want to keep 3 seats in it, obviously, because I've got 3 kids, me and Mrs, like, you know what I mean. Fucking, I'm looking a bit old today, you know. So plan is to strip this bulkhead out. I've already had it out once, it's bloody doorbell. It's only plastic like, for obviously dead easy to take out, but behind here it's got welded brackets on them, so they'll have come out. And then insulate all ceiling, sound dead net, get all them panels off, do the same with them, whip them out, work out what I'm going to do with this tailgate. Hey, you got a tailgate this time, not a barn door. Happy days. Cracking little rain showers, haven't they? Look at that. So anyway, so I'll have to work out what I'm going to do with that. And the thing what's holding me up at the minute is the seats, the seating, because I want the rail side of it, 2 rails here, and then I want slimline units. So the ones I've looked at are like 1300mm seats, but Remo, they want like best part £5.5 grand for a 3-seat at 1300 on sliding rails. Ribalta do them as well, but I think they're coming in at £4 grand as well. So I don't think I want to go down the rock and roll route because the seat was quite uncomfortable in my last van. So leave some comments down below if you've seen any decent setups or anything like that, and see what we go. Or if you've got any ideas really, because what I want to do is down this side, slimline units going all the way down. Bit of a kitchen thing. I think I'm going to have an inset fridge this time on it. I'm not going to bother with the front loading fridge, but plans might change yet. We'll see how we get on with the build on it and that. And love this exhaust system. Underneath there's a sound box. Now some people might not like these, they might think, oh, a bit shabby that, you know what I mean, but I'll tell you what, it got me this when I heard it on the van. When I heard the MSRTs had these on and I heard that, I was like, yeah, I like that. Probably brings the old boy race out in me. Bit shabby, but I like it. I'll show you that anyway where it is. Let's see underneath. You see that there? It sounds absolutely mint. And these as well have got a twin exhaust system on it. See it? And it's a proper twin exhaust as well. It's not a blank. So I've got quite a few plans for the van and that. Get it up, like I say, it's just in its base form at the minute. But what I'm going to do is, first job, I think, is drop that. They are massive. I like the wheels. The wheels are quite smart on it, but they're 18-inch. I don't know if I'm going to go 20s or put a bigger tyre on just to fill the arch out a bit. I don't know yet, I'll have to have a look. But with that, I'm going to have to get the leaf springs changed. There's a company does them for 150 quid, I think, down in Midlands somewhere. So we'll get that done. But I'm in 2 minds whether to do that now, so the van looks good, or wait till I've got all the kit in and see how much it drops first. Because then it might be on its arse then. But we'll see how it goes anyway. Right, thanks for watching. Chuck a like and subscribe if you want to see this sort of content. If you want to follow the build, crack on. And follow what I do with a pinch of salt.